Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to trade gold sticker on Monopoly Go. To get gold cards in Monopoly, complete the task in the Quick Wins menu and participates in events. To trade gold stickers with other players, participate in the Gold Blitz events. Gold stickers can be used to fill the sticker albums. When filled completely, players can earn extra rewards for gameplay. First, complete quick wins. Quick wins are usually tasks you can complete during matches, such as landing on a certain tile, rolling the dice, and other specific actions. To access the quick wins menu, tap the wins icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, participate in events. Check for live events and participate in them for extra chances to receive gold stickers. These events will have milestones similar to quick wins, but the rewards will be much more rare. You can check for live events on the official website for Monopoly Go. Then, trade gold stickers. Participates in the Golden Blitz events. This is the only events in which players can trade gold cards with others. During these events, players can trade 5 times per day for 2 specific stickers. The Golden Blitz events is a great way to fill in the gaps of your sticker album while helping a friend. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.